Hey Alex, how you doing, man?
Good.
All right, tell us where we are and what we're doing today.
Today we're at Victory Park in downtown Dallas, installing a sign for the Crafty Irishman pub. We have an aluminum box sign that has routed out faces, acrylic backer with vinyl overlay, and it is lit with LEDs.
And you guys made this in-house, right?
Yes, we fabricated the sign at the shop, routed out with our CNC machine, and welded, and all the acrylic was assembled at the shop.
And how long do you think a job like this usually takes to install?
This is a pretty quick one. We are refacing an existing sign, so say setup to finish about an hour.
And if a business wants to find you for your sign services, where can they find you?
We are Texas Pro Signs. You can call us at 214-956-7811.